Before we go to the video, you can go and check out my Etsy shop. Just type in I draw my passion and you will find all my works which are for sale. And now back to the video. This painting is about creativity, and it tells you that if you want to be creative, if you want to get new ideas, they will not come through thinking. They will not come in this way. We can't force ourselves to get new ideas and then they will just come. So I will explain that later. The idea behind that painting came to me when a client contacted me that she just wrote a book of poems, and she would like to have a painting for the cover of that book. And for me it was great because she also said that I can do it my own way, in my own style, and I had no limits about it, and it was just a perfect time for that painting because it represents that a hand holding a pencil which is writing down things, and through that pencil the whole universe is going through that pencil, which means that when we are working on our creative things, like for me, for example, painting, it always feels like I'm holding the brush, I'm painting the lines, I'm sitting in front of the canvas, but still the ideas are just flowing through me like a river. And that's why I showed it in the form of planets, universe, because it's just like that. Something beyond us is like a flow of universe, the energy, like whatever we can explain that it's some sort of flow of energy, and this is going through us. So all we need to do is open ourselves for that flow, for that energy. And I think I found a way for myself how to open to that source. And my own way is to clear my thoughts, clear my mind, set the intention for what you want to get when you will clear your thoughts. Like, is it a new idea or an answer to your question, or you want to draw something, you want to write something, you need something for some idea for the job you're working on, whatever it is, all you need to do is clear your thoughts. And I always say that the best way for that is meditation, because meditation can clear your mind, and when you're in a place of nothingness, no thoughts, no time, no nothing, then you're totally open for that creative flow, and at that time you can get infinite ideas about infinite things. So how I'm opening myself for that flow over and over again is, it's a simple meditation. Like, for first 10 to 15 minutes I just doing deep breaths. I'm just breathing like deeply, and that makes me relaxed. I became focused on my breathing, and while that you forgot about thinking. So all you think about is breathe in and breathe out. And after about 15 minutes you will get so relaxed that all your focus you can put inside of your body, like into your inner body, and not thinking about the body but just feeling it. Like, feel the energy in your hands, in your legs, maybe in your head. If you feel something, if you feel flow, or you will definitely feel something. Just focus on the parts of your body and not think about the parts. Just think or just try to feel it. Try to feel anything about your inner body. With that, you will come into this place of nothingness, and at this point, you can ask the source whatever you want. You can say, show me my next painting, show me my next drawing, show me what I need to do. And then just wait, and you will get the answer in a form of idea, maybe in a form of feeling, maybe in a form of thought. And after that, you can write it down that you will not forget it, or you can remember it by repeating it, and that's it. Then you can say thank you, thank you for that, for the answer. And after that you will definitely feel really relaxed, really peaceful. That state is really beautiful. And that's how you get the ideas. That's how you get like really creative ideas. Something new, something which is not copied from someone else, or like you saw someone somewhere else and you just make a copy of it. This will be totally yours, like totally something from beyond you. And yes, that's how I'm opening to that source over and over again, and I'm sure that everyone can do the same, but still everyone needs to find his own way, because there's like infinite possibilities. I'm telling you my way, but try if it works. If not, try to find something else. Like there's infinite different meditations, different areas of meditations, and any meditation can help you with that. Or you can go just walk outside and you will get a new idea. It's totally like when you are relaxed, the ideas will come. So that's it. So from now on, you can enjoy watching this video to the end, and feel free to share your thoughts. Ask me a question if you're wondering something, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So enjoy this video till the end.